Hi, I'm CC. This video will show how CrownCAD's version management transforms your design workflow. First, let's explore two significant concepts: nodes and branches. With intelligent nodes and branches, you can track every change and collaborate seamlessly. Nodes. Mark your project's key states. Solid nodes are shown as unchangeable states. Virtual nodes are shown as editable states. Branches. Connect nodes to store version histories from a specific node, allowing multiple versions to coexist and be edited. Open a document and click Version, or right-click the document to select Version Management for quick access to the version and history interface. Your complete modeling history is recorded here. Click any history to view its part state in read-only mode. To go back to your current design, click Return to Main Branch. Right-click a history and select Create Node to add a node. Right-click the newly created node and select Create New Branch to add a branch. Click Save to log progress. A timestamp or successfully saved will be displayed, and a blue star can be seen in the version interface. Click the timestamp, select a node, and choose Revert to return to that model state. A revert record is added, ensuring full traceability. CrownCAD enables your team to edit designs in real time, meeting your needs for safe and efficient collaboration. Let's start designing with your team at www.crowncad.com.